Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you're signed in with an administrator account so changes stick. Once that's verified, open Start and go to Settings, then choose Update and Security. This routes you to the security controls. Make sure to select Windows Security in the left column so you land on the Windows Defender hub. You're doing this to access real-time protection controls. Once on the hub, click Virus and Threat Protection to view the options you'll change next. Now you'll move into Virus and Threat Protection settings to toggle the core defense off. Click Manage Settings, then switch Real-Time Protection to Off. This stops active scanning. If user account control prompts appear, accept with administrator credentials because this is a system-level change. Remember, this disables immediate threat scanning. Keep internet and downloads cautious. Once done, Windows may automatically re-enable protection later after update. To prevent automatic re-enabling, use group policy or registry edits. You do this only if you understand system risk, because it makes the change persistent. After applying settings, restart your PC to confirm Defender stays off. If it gets re-enabled, check tamper protection in Windows Security and disable it first. Also review recent Windows updates that can reset preferences. If problems continue, restore your system or re-enable Defender and run troubleshooting. This keeps you safe while resolving
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.